24 hours in a day, and I get to do math, hey hooray. Y equals mx plus b with Mr. Ng, we're making history. Pythagoras, Euclid, and Gauss learn the math and you'll become the boss.
Hey stats students, we got a glance number 20 here. Before we do that motivational quote, I'm not telling you it's going to be easy, I'm telling you it's going to be worth it, says Art Williams. Grid view to navigate all the slides and our game plan, week number 20, January 11th to January 15th, 2021. We're in chapter 3, collecting data, and we're in 3.2, sampling, good and bad. Our learning goal is students will be able to identify voluntary response samples and convenience samples on their guided notes. Nothing new here. Khan Academy is coming up. I need to assign you some videos. You only need a total of 1 hour or 60 minutes for the month of January. Remember, your participation is no longer check and connects. Zoom gives you me automatic data. If you are only in the room for like less than 30 minutes, you will get 0.5, or if I call you, you're non-responsive. Something that's new this week is office hours are officially starting for every teacher, Tuesdays and Wednesdays from 1 to 2 p.m. Teachers decide how to meet, and mine's through Google Meets. You can actually click on that link there, and it'll take you to me during that time. Week at a glance, our essential question for week number 20, how can you identify voluntary response samples and convenience samples? Right now, we're kind of focusing on bad samples and moving towards good samples. This week, I'm releasing lesson 3.2. So again, you just click on there, and you can see that little preview. And if you go to the very top of it, it has the link. Let's just do that together. So here it is on Google Docs. Remember, you can just press File, and then you can download it as a PDF if you're going to write it electronically. Remember, if you are typing, which chapter 3, there's a lot more less math computations, make sure you're writing your answers, like the fill in the blanks, in a different color. How do you get to the video? You can actually just double click here in the header, and then you can just click on that YouTube video. Okay? All right, so that's lesson 3.2 for 2 days, 2 minute. It's a 35-minute video for 2 days, and then I'll see you guys Tuesday and Thursday. So homework 3.2 will be for Wednesday. Tuesday or Wednesday, I'm going to release lesson 3.3, and then I want to take a peek at next week. Next week. Week, that should be 21. On Monday, there is no school because we're thankful for Martin Luther King Jr.'s life. And so there's no school. And so on the following Tuesday, let me change those dates there. That's the 19, 20, 21, and 22. Wednesday will be a work day. That Tuesday, I'll release the week at a glance. We'll actually get to watch it in class, and I'll also release homework 3.3. Wednesday, you get a work day, and then that Thursday, you're going to have your first quiz of the semester, and also your work is due, and then also release lesson 3.4 on that Friday. So remember, these week at a glance kind of just show you what we're doing each week. And then this one, slide number 8 here, this is like a running tab of all the assignments. Remember, this semester, we're continuing on the week numbers. So last week was week number 19. And I just asked you to turn in those first assignments of the semester. If you need help there, you just click and you can go to that Google document and you submit it in here, not through email. It has a bunch of Google forms that it submits. Now remember, if you've already turned it in, good job. You get to do nothing. You are finished. If you don't remember, submit it again. They are due this Wednesday, January 13th, on my wife's birthday, 2021, at 3 p.m. So anything after 3 o'clock, you may have turned it in, but you're going to have to go through late work. Again, this semester, although we had week numbers, I'm calling it assignment 21.5. So assignment 21.5 will be these 6 things, and you're kind of turning it in as a packet on January 21st, Thursday, 8 a.m. on Schoology. Okay. We talked about please do not submit a bunch of photos. I will give you a 0, and you'll have to submit it through late work in order to get any credit. Remember, I've already created a video how you can create it as a PDF. That is the way that I want you to turn it in. And again, office hours, I showed you. Monday we see all classes, and then periods 1, 2, and 3, that block is Tuesdays and Thursdays. Periods 4, 5, and 6 block is on Wednesdays and Fridays, and the office hours are on Tuesday and Wednesday. That's all I have for you guys for week at a glance number 20. See you guys. Bye.
24 hours in a day, and I get to do math, hey hooray. Y equals mx plus b with Mr. Ng, we're making history. Pythagoras, Euclid, and Gauss learn the math and you'll become the boss.